Learners, welcome to Cash Education, and today we will see how to draw the heart shape infographic. It's a 4-numbered infographic. You can highlight different goals, objectives or aspects and have good amount of text also. Let's see how to draw it. Take a fresh new slide, go to insert, under shapes choose the heart shape. Draw the heart shape without pressing the shift key. Remove the shape outline, right click, go to format shape. Increase the transparency of the heart shape. Now we have to rotate the heart, but these direct rotate options are not going to work. So we are going to go to shape options, under size. In the rotation, you write down 45 degree. And this is how your heart will be adjusted. Now you align your heart using these guidelines. So the bottom corner or the bottom edge of the heart should be in alignment with the guidelines intersection. You can do that with the help of the arrow keys on the keyboard also. So now we see that it is properly aligned. I'm going to go to insert. Under shapes, I'm going to choose a rectangle. Draw a regular rectangle. Remove the shape outline. Give it some different color. And right click, go to format shape. Increase the transparency and adjust the rectangle onto the edge of the hearts which are not in alignment with your grid lines. So these extra portions which are outside your grid lines, you will edit them. Select all of them, go to format, under merge shapes click on fragment. Now cut out your heart, select all the others and press delete. Now paste your heart. So you have got your one basic shape. This is what you have wanted. Make sure when you are increasing the size, you press the shift key, or else this will change the size of the heart. Select the heart and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Rotate the heart to adjust it to the bottom. Now select both of them and duplicate them and rotate them to flip horizontally. Now you align these two hearts with the first two original ones. If there are some misalignments, you can always use your arrow keys on the keyboard and shift them. Now I'm trying to increase the size of this heart to align it with the overall figure. Because I've increased the size of its neighboring heart, I'll increase the size of this also. And now I'm happy with this figure. Select any one of the heart and go to format shape. Now I'll apply the desired color. And under shape options, I'll select an upward shadow. I'll increase the blur and the distance. After that, I'll also slightly increase the transparency. And now I'm happy with this. Now if I want to copy the same effect, what do? I select my heart, click on Format Painter and choose the next heart. Again select Format Painter and choose the next heart. So my effect is copied to all. Now I just have to color all the hearts differently. So I'll choose the second heart and give it a darker blue color. I'm coloring the hearts using the eyedropper tool because I have my colors ready in the color panel. And now for the last heart, I'm going to choose a bright red color. So now my infographic is ready. I just have to put the text which I have ready. So I'll copy the whole text and paste it on my infographic. Now the text is properly aligned. If it is misaligned, you can adjust and shift them. So I feel that the numbers are slightly misaligned. I'm going to shift them a little inside. And this suits well now. So give this infographic a try. It's a very simple one. If you like the infographic, if you like the videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.